Grilled Veggies, a flavorful English lesson. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a delicious topic, grilled veggies. We'll discover what this phrase means, its usage in English, and some fun facts along the way. So, let's dive in and add some flavor to our English skills. Grilled veggies, a simple yet appetizing term, refers to vegetables that have been cooked on a grill. Grilling involves cooking food over direct heat, usually on a metal grate. This method imparts a distinctive charred and smoky flavor to the veggies. Common vegetables used for grilling include bell peppers, zucchini, eggplant, and asparagus. Key points: grilled, cooking method involving direct heat. Veggies, short for vegetables, a healthy and diverse food group. Grilled veggies is a popular term, especially in cultures where barbecuing and outdoor cooking are common. It's not just about the cooking method but also about a lifestyle and dietary choice. People often choose grilled veggies as a healthier option compared to fried or processed foods. Key points: cultural relevance, linked to barbecuing and outdoor activities. Health aspect, seen as a healthier cooking method. This phrase can be used in various contexts, like in restaurants, at home, or during outdoor cooking events. Examples: could you pass me the grilled veggies, please? I'm planning to make grilled veggies for dinner tonight. Key points: casual and formal use, fits in different social settings. Versatility in sentences, can be used in requests, plans, or descriptions. Did you know that grilling vegetables can actually retain more of their vitamins and minerals? Also, every vegetable has its own perfect grilling time, ensuring they are cooked just right to enhance their natural flavors. Key points: nutritional benefits, retains more nutrients. Cooking tips: each veggie has its ideal grilling time. We hope you enjoyed learning about grilled veggies and can use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the culture and lifestyle they represent. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video.